Friends, in this session I will discuss about tab 2 slowly changing dimension or SCD tab 2. So the definition is in SCD tab 2 slowly changing dimension a new record added to target table to represent new information with original original record. So therefore both the original and the new record will be present into the target table. So the new record gets its own primary key. So by example, so this is a cust key, name, estate. So at name Martin, after some times Martin moved from Miami to California. So we add new information as a new row into the table. So if the Martin move Miami to California, so that will uh, maintain historical record. So Miami is historical records as well as new uh, records California. So by using tab 2 slowly changing dimension, we can maintain historical information as well as new information. That is historical is original information as well as new information. So 106. This is a new records gets its own primary key. So at here, by using slowly changing dimension, so we can that is automatically generate their own primary key. So this is a original information and this is a new information. So if anyone wants to maintain historical records as well as newly updated records, so by using SCD tab 2, we can do that. In this session, I will discuss about SCD tab 2 using version number. So first drag our source table into mapping. Now I here give a new mapping name MSCD tab 2 uh, V number, that is version number. Now hereafter take one lookup transformation. The select location for of the lookup table, that is in target, and click on OK. Now I need only customer ID from source qualifier and drag into lookup. Now double click there, go to condition, give the condition customer underscore ID equal to customer underscore ID 1. One that is lookup table and the transformation port. Now hereafter go to lookup SQL override. So click on generate SQL. Now at here give the condition by using where clause. Where customer ID. So copy that one. No need to write. Comma V number I need. So copy that one also. Close the bracket. Now use in operator and select. I have to select two columns. One customer ID and the number. So copy that one. Customer ID. But I need maximum B number so that I'm using maximum operator, max operator. Now hereafter select from, give the table name SCD underscore tab 2 version con TCT. Copy that and paste. Now use group by on customer ID. Now query part done. So just validate that one. Give the password and click on validate. So there is no any error detected. So it's okay. Now hereafter create one expression transformation and from source qualifier I need all ports. So select all and drag into expression transformation and at here I need state contact S key and V number. So select S key and V number first, drag into expression transformation and I need state and contact number. For better understanding, uh, change the name estate to estate underscore LKP and for contact number underscore LKP. Now add a new port, tab double, data tab double and add here, give the name sign off. So that should be uh, output tab. So add here write formula, use the double if and is null S key. If condition true, then give the value 1 or set the value 1, comma. If the condition not true, then write one inner if IFF condition. So state not equal to state underscore LKP. Use OR operator to give one more condition as second contact number not equal to contact number underscore LKP. So if that condition is true, then the value becomes true, or else the value becomes 0. So close that, validate expression passed successfully. Now click on OK button, apply OK. Now select filter transformation and drag into mapping. So now drag customer ID, name, estate, contact number to filter transformation, and I need version number also, and sign off port also. Now double click and go to properties tab. At here give the filter condition. So at here IFF sign off, double click on sign off port. If equal to 0, then the value false or else true. So validate. Okay. Now take one expression transformation again. Select FX and drag into mapping. Now select all ports, drag into expression transformation. Now add here, add one port. Tab data type should be double. Add here, give the name new V number. So that should be output tab. Now remove that part and add here, give the take IF condition, IF sign of equal to 1, then that should be set 0 or else V number, double click into V number and increase by 1 that one. Now validate that one, it's okay, apply, okay. Now it's done. Now take one target table and drag into mapping. So for SKey, surrogate key, I have to take one sequence generator transformation. So double click 1, 2, 3 and next var drag into SKey. Now select customer ID, name, estate, contact number, drag into target, and I need a new V number, drag into target. So save the mapping. So look at the mapping is valid. Now hereafter right click on mapping and there is one option at the generate workflow. Click the. Now I'm going to use workflow with a non-reusable session. So hereafter connection object, state or source qualifier and target, a name or transformation instant name, connection object to HR con. Now click on next button. So workflow name WFM SCD tab to V number. Session SM SCD tab to V number. So look at the workflow status generated successfully. Now hereafter click on workflow manager. Now click on plus button of workflows. Right here our workflow WFM SCD tab to V number created. Now drag into workflow designer. Now double click on session, go to mapping tab and source. Add your HR connection there. So no need to change. Add your change or target load type, bulk to normal, and lookup LKPTINS. So right here give the value. Click on arrow. Now use object. So object name HR con. Now apply OK. Save that one. So look at the workflow valid. Now start select the session and start the task. So now workflow monitor is not connected. So I have to connect that one. Give out your username, password. Now select session again and click on start task. So look at the session is in running state. Session gets succeeded. Now go to source target statistics. So at your target table no records are there. So I think in target table already records are present. So first I'm going to truncate that target over. So look at there in target table already records are there. So truncate that one. Now go to workflow. Again select the session and start task. Now session is in running state. So now this time in target table 5 rows applied and affected. Now go to SQL for Oracle Developer. Run. So now 5 records are getting loaded. So look at the this time V number. All V number are 0. So 0 represent inserted records. Now add one. So right here give the customer ID name, state, contact number. Now commit. Click on commit symbol. So records getting committed. Commit successfully. Now hereafter start the task. Now so look at the this time so one records are applied. One record is applied and affected. Now go to Oracle SQL Developer. At click on HR schema. So now start. So new records are double one, not five. Maggie, Florida. Phone number there. SQ11 and now V number 0. So let's update some records. So only comparison I can do on state and contact number. So change the name at here, change the state Florida to Florida 1 and commit that one. Start the go to workflow designer and set the session and start the task. So this time also one row applied and affected. So let's check that one in HR schema. So now look at that. 1105 Maggie, Florida 1. So that is updated record so that V number get changed. But previous one that is inserted. So that's why all records are inserted. But Florida one that is updated record so that V number change. Now I'm going to change the state name. Sorry, not state name. Sorry, state name, Texas, and Kevin move from change the number to 86. Now again start the task. One row applied and affected. So now go to his HR schema, execute that query. So look at the Kevin. Kevin previous number was 908077. Now after that Kevin changed the number 90807786. So 90807786 updated number so that V number get changed 0 to 1. Now hereafter I'm going to discuss about that query. So that part, if you click on generate SQL, so that will generate it. So that is only select part. Select customer ID as a customer ID. So that is the target table name and dot operator customer ID as a customer ID. So that all are select part. So right here from, so that is a target table name. So from after from here I used where condition. So where condition, and at here I used um, two columns. One is customer ID and V number. So I need that one, that two one. So at here I used in operator. Uh, so in operator there should be select customer ID and max V number from target table and group by customer ID. So look at there is some duplicate records are in there. I enter one double one not five and double one not five. So I enter V number one and zero. So by that query, only select the maximum V number. So there V number value is zero and one. So max V number that will select one, and that will make customer ID as group by. So that select customer ID uh, 1105 for example, and max V number value should be 1 from target table that makes group by on customer ID. So where two condition, where two columns, one is for customer ID and V number. Now next is if null ASCII. So first time in lookup ASCII value will 0. After that that will increase by, that will come the value into the ASCII. So if the value is not equal to ASCII, then that will store 1. Or if the value is ASCII value not null like 1 2 3 4 5 whatever, so that will condition will jump into inner IAAF condition. So right here that will check the check state not equal to state, or contact number not equal to contact number. If any condition true, so the value become true. If that condition is not true, state not equal to state and contact number not equal to contact number, then the value become 0. Hereafter sign off. If the value of sign off equal to 0, then the that will false. Or if the sign off value equal to 1 or 2, then that will become true. So that will go for next transformation. Now hereafter, if sign of value equal to 1, so first time obviously 1, then that is become 0. So that indicates all inserted record. Or if sign of equal to 0, then what will happen? That will, if sign of equal to the value is 0 or 2, then that will increase the value of v number. 0 v number, the value v number in store v number, the two value is first time that is 0, so that will increase by 1 or 0 to 1. So if the value of sign off equal to 0 or 2, then the v number gonna increase because that condition is true, not true. So if the value sign of value equal to 1, then that will become 0. So that's for new v number. So the sign of value 1, 2 or 0 according to the condition. And at your there is query select by clicking generate SQL. So that will come. That is for all select column, and at here that is for from table target table name from table, and at here give the condition where, and this is inner query. So inner query will execute first. So that is selected two ports. First customer ID and V number. V number should be maximum, and from target table or that will make the group on customer ID. So there is two value will be 0 and 1. So that will select max V number. So it's done out here. Thank you.